Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Dashing with Nicky Boy. Today, we're not dashing. I know, you're probably like, what do you mean you're not dashing? Well, I came home last night and my car would not start after driving all day. So, there's my car right there. She decided that the alternator didn't want to work anymore and charged the battery. So today is going to be about how I fixed my car, right there, and how my buddy Shane's gonna help me because he's freaking amazing. So today's gonna be about the outsides of DoorDash and the things we need to do to keep things going. I will be taking you guys with me along to the trip to get the part, tell you how much the part costs, and how much I lost on the whole entire day. So, alright, we're off to go get the part for my car so I can continue door dashing. So, alright, I picked up the alternator and that set me back $294.21. I'll put it right there. But I'm returning the other one and that'll be $56 back. So do the math. No, but I just thought I'd show you where we're at. I got everything set up and ready to go. Tools all here. Oh gosh. The alternator there. And the alternator comes out from there. My Rose here.
A fellow dasher needs some help. We're gonna get him all fixed up.
He's got his techno blaring, watch out. He's a DJ and a mechanic.
So how do you change an alternator in your vehicle? This is a 2005
Toyota Corolla.
Toyota Corolla.
He doesn't know what kind of car it is. It should be interesting.
I get them mixed up. Camrys and Toyotas, whatever, they're all the same.
I think we started at 2 o'clock. He thinks it's on there.
It's on there.
They continue to tell me that it's more than that we need to check the meter still. It won't be dashing quite yet. 3 minutes to change an alternator. 3.5 minutes, right, Shane?
Right. I said it would take 10, but it was only 3.
All right, we got the alternator in that beast right there. And I'm gonna go out door dashing and I don't know what Shane's gonna do. What are you gonna do, Shane?
I gotta do stuff at home like a dad's supposed to do.
Oh, fatherly things.
Fatherly things.
Cool. Okay, well, peace out. I'm gonna return that and then go dashing. So this is, all right, Shane's helped me. And now my car is running. All we need to do is return the alternator and we're good. We're good to go door dashing again. And if you liked the video of me and Shane fixing my car for DoorDash, you're gonna love these videos here. and you're gonna love this playlist here. And I have Buy Me a Coffee down here if you'd like to help support my channel. Alright, peace kittens and kiddos.